Hey everybody. Hey. All right, so if you are in the business or if you want to make the perfect fabric covered buttons, please stay with me, okay? Please stay with me. All right, so I am so tired of this little kit that you get from Joann's with this little blue plastic thing and this little clear plastic thing with the template and the buttons that come along with it. I am so tired. I am done with it because I never get fabric covered buttons. They never come out perfect. It's always something going on with them. I have the hardest time. I waste so much money because when I get when I get the buttons that I need, I've probably bought like 5 of these things, and I think these kits are like $5, $6, $7, $8. So no more of that. So I was on Amazon searching. I don't even know what I was searching for, but I came upon this. This is a lifesaver. This is a button press. It's manual, but it's a button press. Easy to put together. Only thing you have to do is screw these little red circles on. You have to put in a couple of screws or whichever. Went to the dollar store, got me a plier. Bam. All right, so it comes with a kit of buttons that you can make, I believe, up to 100 buttons, something like that. But oh my God, I'm so glad I got this. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use this. I'm going to put a link where I got this from on Amazon. I'm going to put it below. All right. So again, it has what, size 40, size 48, and size 30. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and demonstrate a button for you all. So I'm going to make a size 48. I'm going to make a size 48. So this little thing right here with the little springs, I don't know what these things are called, but this little spring right here, this is what you're going to put the bottom of the button in. All right, I'm going to lay that in there. It has to lay in there flush like that. Okay, and then you have to find the size button, and it has to fit over that. It has to fit over it like that. So this one is a match to 48. All right, so now I'm going to get the top of the button, which is right here. And then what you can do, like as far as for cutting the right size fabric that you'll need to cover the button with, you can just make your own little template. So I took the 48 and I am just going to turn it over. And I'm just going to trace. And I didn't realize this until after I made my own little template, after doing some trial and error, after I made my button, and it came out perfectly. So I'm like, I had actually made my own little template, but I didn't realize that you can actually take the size button that you want to cover and just make the template. Just make the circle template. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. I swear this is such a time saver. This is going to really encourage me to sew more or to make things with fabric cover buttons. All right, so there is a tutorial out there on this, but there's no sound. Well, they just play music. They don't talk through. They just demonstrate it or whichever. So you're going to take this one right here, and like even in the directions, you really can't tell if this is up here or if it's laying like this, but I realized that to lay the button in here, the 48 has to be upside down. All right, so I'm going to take the top of the button, the top button, and my fabric. I'm going to put it inside here, and then we're just going to, so you see what I'm doing? I'm taking the button, the top of the button, covering the top of the button with my fabric, and I am just going to push it on down in there. And then you want to just make sure your whole button is covered with that fabric. Make sure all the edges are nice and covered. All right, so now I'm going to take the 48, this little thing with the little springs, And I am going to just lay it on top of that, turn it upside down, and then just put it up under here, center it. Now, one thing that I did notice about this, every time I made one, this little screw on the side, it came loose just a little bit. So I just took my pliers and just tightened it up again. So there we go. All right, so you want to line up this little bar with the top of this. I'm going to hold on to this, and then I'm just going to press down. And I like to give it a really good, just to make sure. Take it from under here. Voila. Oh my God, look at that. Perfect. Let me give you a close-up of that. Do you all see this button? Listen, everything is enclosed in that button. Do you all see that? I am so excited. Look, perfect. It is no more of this, no more of this. This is just like dead to me right now. This, do you all see how perfect that is? And it took me, look, this was effortless, effortless. Just to make buttonholes using this little kit. So this little thing right here, I believe it was like $62. I think it was like $62. But it is so worth it just to have this on hand. Do you all see how easy that was? All right, so again, I'm going to put the link down below. Click on it, buy it. If you get it, tell me how it is. Come on and comment back and let me know, because I know it's going to change your life. Okay? I know it's going to change your fabric cutting, changing life. All right? Fabric covered, button, changing life, or whatever. But, all right, link will be below. Give me a like, share, all that good stuff. See you in my next video.